Hi everyone, I'm Vivi from Vidoly. Want to see how any clothing or accessory looks on a real person instantly? Let's explore our amazing AI virtual try-on feature today. First, head over to AI Tool Market in the top navigation bar and click on AI Virtual Try-On. On this page, Vidoly offers 4 powerful try-on styles: AI clothes, AI dress, AI glasses, and AI sports equipment. Let's click on AI Dress Try-On to see how it works. Simply upload your model photo on the left and upload the specific dress image you want to try on right next to it. Now, just click the Use as Reference button at the bottom. Once the floating progress ball reaches 100%, click over to My Assets in the top menu to view your preview. It's that simple. You can use the exact same workflow for AI Clothes Try-On to easily swap out t-shirts or jackets on your models. AI Dress Try-On wraps complex textures and patterns onto the body, giving fashion brands a studio look instantly. You may also upload your personal photos to instantly visualize how any dress fits your figure, eliminating the need for in-store visits or offline fittings and cutting both time and monetary expenses. Next, AI Glasses Try-On accurately positions optical glasses or stylish sunglasses onto the model's face. It generates highly realistic reflections for a lifelike effect. Finally, AI Sports Equipment Try-On allows digital models to interact naturally with all kinds of athletic gear. It supports props such as road bikes and fitness supplies, crafting vivid and energetic outdoor scene presentations. Vidoly eliminates the need for expensive physical photo shoots, saving you time and money while creating high-converting marketing visuals. Subscribe for exclusive AI virtual try-on hacks for brands and individual users alike. AI Virtual Try-On helps you avoid blind shopping and cut down both your time and money costs. Just upload your photo, you'll instantly see how clothes, eyewear, and sports gear fit you before you buy anything. Test all features free at vidoly.ai now. Share your try-on results or improvement ideas and stay tuned for more guides.